The budget was not provided for the current year, but we are hoping that we are going to be given funds from July this year, so that we start with voter education and we proceed to voter registration.
Even when it comes late, and we are given towards the end, and that is why you realize that so far we have not been able to begin diaspora engagement, because the funds usually come towards the later part of the budgeting cycle. It were possible, our target is to get everybody on board. However, as we sit right now, because of those dynamics that we have mentioned, we are not sure that we'll get all of them. But we are proposing to progress to 16 new countries. That is in addition to what we already have. We have requested for 500 million. However, we have been allocated 400 million.